If you're looking for ways to increase revenue with TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we're going to dive into how this tool can help streamline your sales process and boost your bottom line, while also uncovering some key things you might want to know before you fully commit. Stick around to the end, because I'll be revealing an exclusive offer for an extended free trial, and I'll also share a few other CRM options that might just be a better fit for your goals. Let's start with what TeamGate CRM does. It's a comprehensive customer relationship management system designed to help businesses manage leads, track sales, and ultimately increase revenue. With its intuitive interface, TeamGate helps teams close deals faster, making it a useful tool for anyone looking to scale their operations. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. First off, TeamGate excels when it comes to simplifying your sales pipeline. With automated workflows, you can track leads, set reminders, and get an overview of your team's performance all in one place. It saves time and reduces the likelihood of missing out on potential revenue. But while automation is great, if you're in a more complex sales environment, TeamGate can sometimes feel a bit too basic. More customization and flexibility could be beneficial for those who need advanced features. Next thing, TeamGate's reporting capabilities are another strong point. The software gives you detailed analytics that show where your business is thriving and where you may need improvement. This is key when you're looking to increase revenue, as data-driven decisions help you identify your most profitable clients or uncover gaps in your sales process. However, it's worth noting that TeamGate's reporting options may not be as robust as some of its competitors. If you're looking for highly granular reports, you might be left wanting more. Now, let's talk about integration. TeamGate does a solid job of connecting with other software tools, including email platforms and calendar apps. However, if you're using niche software, you might run into some limitations in terms of syncing data. While TeamGate offers a decent set of integrations, its library of third-party apps isn't as extensive as some CRM leaders. For teams with unique workflows or custom tools, this might be a sticking point. The fourth thing worth mentioning is TeamGate's customer support. Their team is friendly, responsive, and always ready to assist. The live chat option is convenient, and they also provide plenty of help materials, such as articles and video tutorials. Still, in comparison to other CRM services, you may find that response times could be a little quicker, especially during peak hours. Now, before we wrap things up, let's talk about alternatives. While TeamGate offers great features, you might want to explore some other CRM tools that could align more closely with your business needs. Options like HubSpot or Pipedrive offer more advanced automation and integrations, potentially providing more value if you're serious about scaling. And if you want a deeper analysis of your revenue-generating activities, you might want to check out Salesforce, which offers more complex reporting features, albeit at a higher price. Here's the thing, no CRM is one size fits all, and while TeamGate is a solid option for many, other tools might be better suited for your goals, especially if you're trying to increase revenue quickly. But don't worry, whether you choose TeamGate or another solution, I've got you covered. The best part? Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive extended free trial of TeamGate CRM, so you can try it out without any pressure. And if you're looking for something with even more flexibility or customization, I've listed a few alternatives, all with free trials as well, that might just be the perfect fit for increasing your revenue. Take your time, explore your options, and make the best choice for your business. Check the link in the description below to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.